Before going through informative animation, I am excited to inform you that YouTube now automatically dubs this video into several major languages. Just turn on your preferred language in the settings and enjoy the full experience in your native tongue. It's called forensics. It's the science used to solve crimes. Forensics helps police and investigators find out what really happened. Have you ever watched a crime show? Maybe something like Sherlock Holmes? Scientists collect clues, test samples, and solve mysteries. The word forensic means to bring something to the court. Forensics helps solve murders and find missing people. It can even prove if someone is innocent. We starts from crime scene investigation. Everything starts at the crime scene. A crime scene is where the crime happened. It could be a house, a car, a park, or anywhere. Forensic experts come in to look for clues. They take pictures. They collect fingerprints. They gather hair, blood, or other things the criminal may have left behind. Even small things, like a drop of blood or a broken glass, can help solve the case. What is fingerprint analysis? No two people have the same fingerprints. That makes fingerprints very special. If someone leaves a fingerprint on a door, a window, or a weapon, scientists can find it. They compare it with the fingerprints of suspects. If it matches, it's a strong clue. DNA testing is also an important technique in forensic sciences. Every person has DNA. It's like your body's special code. Your hair, skin, blood, and saliva, they all have DNA. If a criminal leaves behind any of these, scientists can test the DNA. They can match it to a suspect. Even if the crime happened many years ago, DNA can still tell the truth. Ballistics is the study of guns and bullets. If a crime involves a gun, forensic experts study the bullet. They can tell which gun fired it. They can also tell the direction and distance of the shot. This helps figure out how the crime happened. Toxicology is the study of poisons and chemicals. If someone was poisoned, forensic scientists test the body. They look for drugs, alcohol, or harmful chemicals. This can tell us how the person died. Sometimes only bones are found. Forensic anthropologists study bones. They find out the age, sex, height, and cause of death. They can even help make a face model to identify the person. Odontology is the study of teeth. If a body is badly damaged, teeth can still help. Experts study dental records to find out who the person was. They can also study bite marks to link someone to the crime. Today, many crimes happen online. This is where digital forensics comes in. Experts study phones, computers, cameras, and social media. They find messages, deleted files, and photos. Even things deleted long ago can sometimes be found. This helps solve cybercrimes, fraud, or even kidnapping. Sometimes only bones are found. Forensic anthropologists study bones. They can even help make a face model to identify the person. Now, let's talk about an important area, drugs and narcotics. This department focuses on illegal drugs. Drugs like heroin, cocaine, or meth can harm people and communities. Forensic scientists test powders, tablets, or liquids to find out what they are. They also check if someone used drugs by testing their blood or urine. They work with police to stop drug trafficking. They also help catch people who sell or make illegal drugs. Sometimes, drugs are hidden in clever ways. Inside food packets, clothes, or electronics. The forensics team carefully examines everything. They use machines like mass spectrometers and gas chromatographs to study drug samples. This helps in court because it proves what kind of drug it was, how much of it was found, and whether it was illegal. Who becomes a forensic scientist? People who love science, solving mysteries, and helping others, they become forensic scientists. They study chemistry, biology, physics, and law. They work in labs, crime scenes, and sometimes in court. They help the police, lawyers, and judges find the truth. Let's take an example. Imagine police find a car with strange white powder inside. They don't know what it is. The forensics lab tests the powder. They find out it is a powerful illegal drug. Then they test the driver's blood, it shows he used the same drug. The evidence is strong. The case is solved, thanks to forensics. Forensic science is a powerful tool. It helps solve crimes. It helps bring justice. It uses science to uncover the truth. It protects people and makes the world a safer place. Thank you for listening. This was just the beginning. There's much more to learn in the world of forensics.